பாலின் சுவை பன்னீரின் புரதசத்துடன் மிருதுவான சுவையான தமிழ் பன்னீர்.
This song was unanimously loved by everyone. Like,
A. Rahman sir இதை கேட்டுட்டு என்ஜாய் கேட்டுட்டு என்ன சொன்னாரு?
it's nice.
இந்த ஒப்பாரி பாடல் ஆகட்டும், அந்த அந்த ஒரு வைபே அந்த சாங்ல இஸ் வெரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட்.
Santosh sir was always there on set. Every frame, our monitor pinati. So each time we would do something, appa, super da, you know. So when I heard the song first time in his studio, I felt like the ground shook.
ஹலோ சினிமா விகடன் வியூவர்ஸ், நான் ஷர்னிதா. என்னோட இருக்கிறது என்ஜாய் என்ஜாமி பாட்டோட டிரெக்டர் அமித் கிருஷ்ணன் அவர்கள். வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம்.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Overwhelmed, excited, happy.
Overwhelmed, excited, happy. பட் தமிழ்நாடே வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணி செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு இந்த பாட்டை. அந்த ரியாக்ஷன் ரெஸ்பான்சஸ் எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க ரைட் நவ்?
Very proud, very grateful. Actually, I don't know what to feel because I didn't expect, at least me and my team didn't expect the response. But the fact that it's so appreciated and loved by all, அது கொஞ்சம் புதுசாக இருக்கு எனக்கு. So I'm still getting used to it. Like this itself is the first ever interview I'm giving. So yeah, I'm very grateful. Just grateful.
So working with தி, அவங்க பாடின பாட்டு எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு பெரிய லெவலில் ஹிட்டான ஒரு பாடல் தான். ஸோ தீயோட ஒர்க் பண்ண அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு?
தி, லைக் அவரோட ரோல் இன் திஸ் இஸ் பிக். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், தி வாஸ் வெரி சார்ட்டட் அபவுட் ஹவு ஷி ஷுட் லுக். அவருக்கு எல்லாமே ஆல்ரெடி ஐடியா இருக்குது. நான் இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், திஸ் இஸ் த கலர்ஸ் தட் சூட் மீ, ஹர் கிரியேட்டிவ் இன்புட்ஸ். ஸோ ஷீ ஆல்ரெடி நியூ வாட் ஷி வாண்டட். லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், அந்த ஆரஞ்ச் ட்ரெஸ் ஒன்று போடல, அதில் போட்டிருக்கிற பட்டன்ஸ் கூட she's like, let's put those buttons there, you know. So, and it was more like a jam between both of us. Like we would throw ideas, and I was sort of in awe first because for her age, you know, the amount of creative ideas she was giving, you know. So but that was one. Second, from morning till night, she didn't drop her energy. Not once did she complain. Full, you know, thorns and stones and everything, she was jumping around. So that's why, I mean, I have immense respect for her. It's just not once did she even show that, oh, I'm tired, you know, like it was just meeting Dee and Santosh Narayan sir also was one experience because I worked with A.R. sir for all these years, still do. And when I met Santosh Narayan sir and Dee for the first time in their house, they were very, very nice, very like, you know, edo like palaya kaalam friends madri, you know. When I heard the song in the studio, they both are jumping and listening to it, and I was like, so they are naturally very happy, very loving people. And as I got, you know, couple of days I met them, then I realized this is how they are. And then it became like a personal project for all of us. Okay, edo pannu ivarku. And aprama when they explained the idea behind it, like I don't understand Tamil, so they explained each line. Ariv told me like why he's written this, what is the story about. So okay, when I heard about all that, it added to this whole thing of okay, we have to do justice to it. In our part panni or level, it's already set a standard. So how do you reach that standard? I think it was their energies also which added to all this. I still am trying to figure out yeah. Nice. But yeah, working with Dee, she's brilliant.
தி ஒரு பக்கம்னா அறிவு இன்னொரு பக்கம். ஸோ அந்த ஒப்பாரி பாடல் ஆகட்டும், அந்த அந்த ஒரு வைபே அந்த சாங்ல இஸ் வெரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஸோ அவரோட இன்புட்ஸ் என்னவா இருந்துச்சு இந்த பாடலுக்கு?
த்ரூ அறிவு அவரோட ஐடியாலஜிஸ் இருக்குல்ல ஒன்று, லைக் வாட் ஹி பிலீவ்ஸ் இன் அண்ட் வாட். ஸோ those were things which I learned, like what does Casteless Collective stand for, what do they, for example, what are they trying to achieve, you know. I didn't know that there was so many things behind. So interacting with Ariv also, it's like interacting with some learned person, a philosopher, you know. But at the same time, he's a young kid and he has that fire in him. So channeling that fire is very important. So he also trusted me completely. So it was one very different experience, which is why it's resulted in this video. If I tell him, okay, I want you to do this in front of the camera, I would trust pannulla. So that's a big thing.
ஸோ இதுக்கெல்லாம் பின்னாடி ஏஆர் ரஹ்மான் சார் அவரோட இனிஷியேட்டிவ் தான் இது அப்படின்றது
ஆமா.
இப்போதான் நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரிய வருது. ஸோ ஹவு இட் ஸ்டார்டட்?
Sirs, see, I'm not really sure how it started, but I know Sir's vision is, to push musicians. Not even just, it doesn't have to be indie music, but good musicians. That's all he's trying to promote. Good music he's trying to promote, and that is what I think Maja also stands for. What they told me.
மாஜாங்கிறது வந்து இட்ஸ்
So Maja is again an initiative started in relationship with Sir.
ஓகே.
So it's AS's vision, which these guys are trying to fulfill. So what he would like to see happening, change the game basically. But the Sir's input in this is like, one, it starts from my life, my team's life. I would say my career started with him, and it's been a journey. So adu kandipa his guidance has always been there in every step.
ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாடலை வந்துட்டு தீயன் அறிவை வச்சு தான் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஐடியா எங்கிருந்து உருவானது?
Actually we shot a lot of artists already. This song was unanimously loved by everyone. Like for me personally, when I edit few songs, after a point you get tired of it. No? This, for some reason, I would never be. Eppo ketalo, I feel like, that energy is there. So this song had that. And so when everybody was like, okay, fine, let's put this out first. So that was the thing. And what best way to start than with a bang. So that was the whole concept.
ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த பாடல் கேட்டோடனே இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிடலாம் அப்படின்னு தோணி ரிலீஸ் பண்ண தான் இது.
Yeah.
ஸோ ஏஆர் ரஹ்மான் சார் இதை கேட்டுட்டு என்ஜாய் கேட்டுட்டு என்ன சொன்னாரு?
It's nice.
அவரோட ஸ்டைல் அது மட்டும் தான் சொன்னார்.
He's actually very happy. As soon as the song came out and the video release aanappo, he sent an email to all of us saying he's proud and happy. The vision is moving forward. So, but as this whole thing is his vision, his only one thing is this: don't do anything usual, monotonous irukka kudadu. Try something, like always what he's done. He's always kept creating, or I would say breaking trends. I don't know if he's always done something new and then changed, So personally for me, everything I do, it's like I want him to be impressed, if he's happy, so that's the constant thing for me and my team. Okay, each step
ஏஆர் ரஹ்மான் சாருக்கு பிடிச்சிடணும்
no, every time we do something, because we worked with him so much, what would he say about this? Will he say, "Oh, it's too cliche"? Will he say that, or is he going to get impressed? So the minute when I showed him few shots, what we had done at 30-second trailer we had cut, so I showed him all that. That reaction itself, he saw it like some 6-7 times.
Wow.
He's like, "Hey, nice. What did you do? How was this thing, that thing?" Also, yeah.
ஸோ அவர் என்ன சொல்லுவாருங்கிற அந்த பயமே வந்து உங்களை அப்படி சொல்லலாமா?
Yeah, he's like one headmaster. He's my mentor, so that's the thing. So anything I do, I always keep him in my mind.
ஸோ ஸ்டூடியோ மோகாக்கு இப்போ நிறைய வெளிச்சம் வருது. காண்டே கண்ணம்மா பாடல் நீங்க பண்ணது தான். ஸோ நிறைய பேர் இன்னும் அது வந்து பாடிட்டு இருக்க பாடம் தான் அது. ஸோ அவங்க டீம் கிட்ட இருந்து இது வந்திருக்குன்னு நினைக்கும் போது we are all happy.
Studio Mocha started just recently. It was again, it's the same team. We've been doing all these Ganda Kannamma, Arsa, Madras Gig, ella same team da pannom. So why we started Studio Mocha is because, one, I should again say, because of the COVID which hit, we started taking things too lightly. Savings illa, freelancer. I was a freelancer. Everyone's a freelancer. And then slowly we realized, okay, we need to do things professionally. At least for my team, they need some sort of a base. So that's why we thought, okay, sorry, let's just come together as a team, decide to create good content. And Ashik, my partner, has been always pinnadi oru day oda pannalanda I'll be like, anada freelancer irka, but the fact that these people are all there with me, they make decisions. So that is what snowballed into Studio Mocha.
And உங்களோட ஹிஸ்டரி கொஞ்சம் பார்க்கும்போது நேஷனல் அவார்ட்லாம் வந்து வின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க ஷார்ட் ஃபிலிம்க்கு. ஸோ ஹவு டிட் யூ கம் இன் டு திஸ் ஃபீல்ட் அண்ட் வாட்ஸ் ஹேப்பனிங்?
I mean, cinema is something which you all, it started with Talapati and then, but to long story short, once AR sir saw a video of mine on YouTube and he called me. So he said, I have a couple of videos, can you edit it? So I joined, just, you know, that whole thing of you getting an email from him. So I joined him. I used to edit few videos of his, and then after that he gave me a documentary to make called the Sunshine Orchestra. Um, it was for his foundation. So me and the great Vijay Karthik Kannan, the cinematographer right now. So we both started off there. So that was our big project with him. And since then, you know, he's given us a lot of work. Like we did Abija with him, which is another music video. So everything started off there. So he's also like, with him it was like he was also slowly discovering cinema, cameras he was buying, and you know, he was getting interested in this side. So we were also learning simultaneously. So அது ஒரு பயங்கரமான எஜுகேஷன் அது. அதுக்கு நடுவில் தான் then an NGO got in touch with me and asked if I can make stories on bonded labor and, you know, they human trafficking and all that. So other story they gave me, and then we just, again, that camera also, yeah, sorry, he said you can use my equipment, no problem. So that got us the national award. And then since then, yeah, I mean, I've been doing music videos, documentaries. Now I don't know what else.
So now what next அப்படின்னு இப்ப கேட்டா அமித் கிட்ட என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க?
What next? I mean, the dream is screen. That's. I mean, everything that's happened in my life, I've not decided. அது தானா வந்தது. I believe in that. The universe takes you. So அது வரும்.
ஸோ கம்மிங் பேக் டு என்ஜாய் என்ஜாமி, அதோட செட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து அறிவு ஆடுற அந்த ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து செட்டா இல்லை உண்மையான்ற கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு. அது நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும், அது என்னது அது?
இல்லை, ஸோ there were two shoots. One was indoor and outdoor. So indoor was basically a set. The plants எல்லாம் Shiva, the art director, பயங்கரமா, it was just brilliant. The first portion was set. The plants and everything was arranged by Shiva. Second was outdoor. அதுவும் ஏஆர் சாரோட ஷூட் ஃப்ளோர், YM ஸ்டுடியோ கவரப்பேட்டையில். ஸோ தேர் வி ஹேட் டன் தி அவுட்டோர் போர்ஷன்ஸ். Our main aim was to make sure it looks great. You know, it looks, I don't like the term international. It has to look good at the end of the day. So even, you know, Santosh sir was always there on set. Every frame, our monitor pinadi. So each time we would do something, appa, super da, you know, that itself is encouraging for us, you know. So it was just normal plants. We bought a lot of plants, and yeah, we just created that atmosphere.
And initially அந்த ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்போது, பாட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்போது அந்த ஒரு பறை அடிக்கும், and then this மண்ணு பறக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள்லாம் எப்படி, how, யார் இனிஷியேட் பண்ண, ஐடியா பண்ணா?
So it might sound weird, but the thing is, when I listen to a song, I get visuals in my head. I see the whole, okay, this is how it should be. Not the first hearing. Keep listening, and because I've seen so many things, all of us see so many things. So our brain has this thing of, okay, in the visual, they'll make one edit in the head. So, but certain things, like when I heard the song first time in his studio, I felt like the ground shaking. I felt like, you know, what is happening? Because so then I was like, okay, I need to show this feeling. I feel like the ground is shaking. How do I do it? So obviously for that I need a team who can execute that. So அது ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, மண்ணு ஸ்பீக்கர் கீழ and it just shook, அவ்வளவுதான். It's just very simple. But
பார்க்க ரொம்ப அழகா டிஃபரெண்டா இருந்தது அப்படின்றதுனால தான்
இல்ல, I felt that the ground shaking. Then this the pare, the drum, you know, all those instruments, that happened in the second shoot. So adile Santosh sir was just jamming with these guys. It was like, can you just play the beginning? Appo when I saw that, then I realized, okay, because I edit, so I immediately realized, okay, I could use this there. So then I said, okay, I can use this at that edit point.
And at the end of the song, அந்த பாட்டி வந்து நிஜமாவே அறிவு அவங்களோட பாட்டி அப்படின்றது வந்துட்டு எனக்கு இப்பதான் தெரிய வந்துச்சு. அந்த ஒரு போஸ்ட் அவங்க போட்டிருந்தாங்க on Instagram where he speaks about அவங்க ரூட்ஸ் எப்படி மதிக்கணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயம். ஏன்னா அந்த பாடலே அந்த ரூட்ஸ் பத்தி தான் இருக்கு, நம்ம பழங்குடி மக்கள் and குடியினர் பத்தி எப்படி இருந்ததுன்றது.
100%, yeah. Again, those people are from Arivoda village. He's written it with them in mind. So that's when I thought, okay, let's, you know, usually instead of making them stand on a field and, you know, putting a mat on the floor. So they were so far sitting at AS's studio. Seri adella thookirthum va. So, but after I took that shot is when everyone told me that you don't realize how meaningful that shot is. I was like, இல்ல நல்லா இருக்கு நான் எடுத்தேன், that's it. But yeah, it ended up being very powerful. Although I would say because Santosh sir was very adamant that we had to have emotions, we had to have faces, you know, so அதெல்லாம் அவரோட இன்புட்ஸ் தான்.
இந்த பாடல் வந்து லிரிக்ஸ்க்காகவே இன்னும் நிறையா பேசப்படுது. எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து எங்களுக்கு புரியலைனாலும் கேட்க நல்லா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. இன்னும் பல பேர் வந்துட்டு இந்த வரி நல்லா இருக்கு, அந்த வரி நல்லா இருக்கு அப்படின்றாங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச வரி என்ன?
One is the kuku kuku, which is very addictive. Second is there's that Anju Maram, one whole para is there where, so அதோட மீனிங், I think it was the Yopari. So அதோட மீனிங் I had asked Arivu. But overall, the whole, everything, I think what he's written is pretty cool. ஆனால் அப்புறமா கம்பளி பூச்சி தங்கச்சி, all those are very nice sounding.
ஸோ அறிவோட லுக்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து கீழே கமெண்ட்ஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இவர் மாதிரி இருக்காங்க, அவர் மாதிரி இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு நிறையா இருந்துச்சு. பட் லுக்ஸ் வைஸ் என்னென்ன மெனக்கடல் இருந்துச்சு?
See, Ariv has a great complexion. He actually looks very nice. And அவர் பயங்கரமாக எனர்ஜி இருக்குது கேமரா ஃப்ரண்ட்டில். He's very energetic. Like, after every take, he will fall down. He's very energetic lad. Making him look, no, there was no, the main thing was he should look good, grander, you know. Like in my head he was like the king of the jungle and Dee is like the queen he's introducing, something appadi irundhuchu. So but Pallavi and I should speak about Meenakshi ma'am also, Santosh Narayan's wife, because she also has a huge role to play in all this. Even how these should look, how Ariv should look, they are already very clear about it.
ஸோ அந்த டீமில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ரம் சந்தோஷ் நாராயணன் சார் டு எவ்ரி ஒன், எனர்ஜி லெவல் அப்படின்னு ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்து அடிக்கடி நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ சந்தோஷ் நாராயணன் சாரோட கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் டு திஸ் என்டையர் திங்,
massive contribution. I think as a Santosh Narayan sir and Meenakshi ma'am, both of them, one is they've contributed, like how they treated us, no, like that itself, like I mentioned, it's like it was very new to me. They were like, if at all I'm pitching an idea to them, tired irukku thoongriya, you want to sleep for a while, pasikada edo food, you know, it's like that, you know. And initially it took a while for me to get used to it, but and his energy level is always constant. Even on set he would run around everywhere, he would go speak to the dancers, he'll speak to Dee, make sure everything was okay. In team kuda, if he feels that energy is down, no, edo poi or joke adipa, you know, it's like, so his contribution is massive for the song to sound what it is right now. He apparently played it in every like tape recorder la potanga, car la potanga, you know, every device he could, so that it would sound great, you know. He's I think there were some 8-9 versions of the song, so he and Dee have been living with this song a lot.
And finally one question, இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் அமித் கிருஷ்ணன் யார் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது சில்லி பீஃப் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஹேண்டில் இருக்கீங்க. வாட் இஸ் சில்லி பீஃப்?
Chili beef, it's my favorite dish. I love beef. That's it. I just it's a very delicious dish.
So best wishes again for Enjoy Enjami. இன்னும் நிறைய பாடல்கள் படங்கள் பண்ணுங்க அமித் கிருஷ்ணன்.
Thank you.
Looking forward for
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for
Thank you for this time. Thank you for everything.
பசும்பாலின் நற்குணங்கள் நிறைந்த மிருதுவான சுவையான தமிழ் பன்னீர். பாலின் அசல் சுவை பன்னீரின் புரத சத்துடன்.